North Perth House is a highly awarded residence designed by architect Nick Brunsdon. Influenced by Italian heritage and Japanese architectural principles, the home gestures through curved geometry and a dominant use of concrete and timber. The result is a rich and inviting home with unfolding layers, light and shade, and a home that expresses itself artfully throughout.
The design brief for this house was really thorough and particular, and was out of the taste and sophistication of the clients, which had just such a deep understanding of great architecture, great spaces, and was just a delight and a breeze to work with. And we wanted to make sure that it had flexibility about how you could entertain and recreate and come together and come apart as well when you needed to. So we have a rear yard that's north facing, that sort of has got grass in it, kick a soccer ball around. But then we have a rooftop terrace on the top with great city views that is a place more for parents to kind of clink a champagne glass and entertain and have a bit of separation from distinct areas and sort of pockets of family and friends as they come over. My favourite moments or spaces in the home is actually where we're sitting right now. It's the first thing you see when you come inside the house, and it's where it all comes together and makes sense, where you see the two floors interlocking and coming across each other, and you get that height and that joy and the light and the different ways that it kind of comes through and plays throughout the day, and it's such a beautiful, changing, sort of restful space. It's pretty innovative in the way that it's put materials and spaces together. Obviously you've got the concrete, which was done as a material that needed no finishing and was something that was there for its expressiveness and its patina, and it would change with time. But then we knew that we didn't want to feel too industrial, so the timbers come in the sort of high touch moments to kind of soften it. And then the other major material is the polycarb, which sits on the east and west, which sort of brings that light in and diffuses it, as we see here coming in over the top. On a smaller block, it's important to keep long sight lines through the project and through the building. So we always had this idea where when you open the front door, you could see the back fence. So you had the length of the house. And by the same token, when you get to this point here, you see boundary to boundary that way. So you're always getting height, length and width through the house, so it never feels small or pokey. It's always generous and expansive.